Hey, it's Shawn Michaels with another edition of Seafood Made Simple. And tonight I'm going to be preparing a tuna steak. I'm going to pair it with fresh garden veggies right out of the garden. Going to put a nice salad, tomato, cucumber, everything right there to go with it. It'll be a perfect pairing with this tuna steak that we're going to be doing. It is from Cassidy's Fish Market there at Viking Village, right in Barnegat Light, Long Beach Island. Looks delicious. I've been marinating it for a while, so we're going to get started in just a moment. We're going to be doing that, some tuna bites as well. So we got a lot going on here tonight with tuna from Cassidy's Fish Market at Viking Village, Barnegat Light. And as I said, I'm going to pair it with a nice salad, fresh right out of the garden, just picked. It's going to be good. So here we go. Okay, so there's a chance of thunderstorms today. We would have maybe done the grill, but instead we're going to go with the pan frying of the tuna steak. A couple of minutes on each side. Pretty simple to do. A little olive oil in there. We've got the marinade going, and yeah, you can already hear it starting to cook. So tuna steak has begun. We're giving it a nice sear on each side. Looking good. The next thing we're going to do is some blackened tuna bites, and what we're going to use is this dry rub. We're going to put this on one side, put them on the skillet, grill them over one time, flip them, and be all set. So yeah, so we're going to use this dry rub and put these on the blackened tuna bites from Cassidy's Fish Market at Viking Village, Long Beach Island. It's going to be good.